Firefighting and Rescue Training Grounds. Now, we venture into one of the most action-packed zones of the entire training center, the Firefighting and Rescue Training Grounds. This is where intense realism, technical mastery, and mental resilience come together to shape elite emergency responders. Let's explore each of the training sites that make up this powerful network. T11 Operation Control Tower. First, you'll see the towering structure just ahead. That's the T11 Operation Control Tower, the central command hub of all our disaster simulation zones. Standing 7 stories tall, this facility functions as the brain of our entire training ecosystem. Up on the 6th floor, you'll find a state-of-the-art control room where instructors and command staff oversee every training exercise across the site. But this isn't just passive monitoring. Here, we can simulate fire scenarios with pinpoint accuracy, adjusting flame height, burn intensity, duration, and even extinguishing dynamics, all in real time. The tower is also equipped with real-time video feeds, remote safety controls, and training playback systems for post-drill analysis. And during full-scale simulation drills, this tower transforms into a live disaster management center, directing personnel movement, coordinating resources, and testing decision-making under crisis conditions. It's here that strategic leadership meets hands-on realism. T5 Breathing Apparatus Training Ground, Self-Contained Breathing Apparatus, SCBA Training Ground. Next, we step into one of our most grueling and immersive environments, the T5 Breathing Apparatus Training Ground, commonly known as the SCBA Training Facility. This 2-story structure is a smoke-filled pitch-black maze, packed with narrow passages, ladders, tunnels, and sharp corners, designed to replicate real rescue conditions. Trainees navigate this maze completely disoriented, relying only on touch, hearing, and team communication, all while wearing their self-contained breathing apparatus. To enhance realism, we introduce simulated smoke, elevated heat, and disorienting sounds from collapsing structures to victim cries. This facility tests not only physical endurance, but also calm under pressure, situational awareness, and team coordination. It plays a crucial role in transforming trainees into confident professionals who can make life-saving decisions under extreme stress. We also open this facility to students, civilians, and disaster prevention personnel, offering a rare glimpse into the challenges and dangers firefighters face every day. T31 Simulated Fire Station Multifunctional Training Ground. Now let's head over to the T31 Simulated Fire Station, one of the most versatile and realistic training environments here. This 2-story, 2,600 square meter structure is a full-scale replica of an operational firehouse, allowing trainees to experience a complete day in the life of a firefighter, from dispatch to deployment. Inside, they practice emergency alerts, disaster response coordination, and real-time role-play. Outside, the training intensifies, with angled slope walls ranging from gentle 30 degrees inclines to extreme 80-degree climbs, used for technical rope rescues, stretcher transport, and advanced vertical evacuation drills. The rooftop terrain includes man-made hills, slopes, and uneven surfaces, mimicking mountainous or collapsed urban zones, perfect for mass rescue and terrain instability training. One of the signature features is our cable car rescue system, with 18-meter-high towers spaced 15 meters apart, enabling high-angle rescue simulations, just like in mountainous, forested, or remote disaster areas. T31 prepares firefighters to act with speed, accuracy, and confidence, no matter how unfamiliar or extreme the environment may be. T32 Outdoor Training Ground. Lastly, we arrive at the T32 Outdoor Training Ground, a facility designed to bridge the classroom and the field. At first glance, it may seem modest, but this 410 square meter, single-story building plays a key role in both instruction and tactical preparation. It houses 2 classrooms for theory lessons and mission briefings, along with a central command room for real-time coordination during live drills. There's also an open-air training plaza used for physical warm-ups and group assemblies and equipment checks. What makes T32 truly forward-thinking is its simulated smart building system, which mimics intelligent urban infrastructure, featuring automated alarms, feedback loops, and system-triggered evacuations. Trainees here gain first-hand experience with the complexities of modern high-tech buildings. Other standout features include rapid response dispatch doors, opening completely in just 20 seconds, and structural resilience built to withstand typhoon-strength winds up to Beaufort scale 17. Outside, 8 rinsing units provide effective decontamination and cooling stations after exercises. T32 ensures that every trainee moves from planning to execution with discipline, focus, and readiness for the unexpected. T1, T2, T3, and T6, simulated building fire rescue training grounds. Now, as we continue our journey through the training center, we enter one of the most dynamic and crucial areas, the simulated building fire rescue training grounds. This zone consists of 4 purpose-built facilities, each replicating a different type of real-world structure: a shopping mall, an apartment complex, terraced housing, and a factory. Together, they form a comprehensive training landscape where responders sharpen their skills navigating fires and rescues in a wide variety of architectural layouts and population densities. Let's explore them one by one. T1, simulated shopping mall. First up is T1, a 4-story commercial complex, meticulously designed to replicate the challenging environment of a modern shopping mall. Inside, there are 8 distinct fire scenario zones, reflecting hazards found in high-traffic retail and entertainment venues. Imagine battling flames in an underground food court, a stairwell fire, a science lab fire, fires inside department stores, nightclubs, or KTV/MTV rooms. Even a movie theater blaze. T1 also includes a dedicated stairwell and elevator rescue training area, allowing teams to practice entrapment rescues and vertical evacuations. It's a perfect environment for simulating fire spread and suppression in large, open, multi-use commercial spaces. T2, simulated apartment building. Next, we move to T2, a 7-story high-rise simulating a densely populated apartment complex. It houses 9 fire zones, targeting urban residential risks such as an arcade-level motorcycle fire, electrical hazards, a car blaze in the underground garage, fires in living rooms, duplex stairwells, hotel guest rooms, bars, and hospital wards. T2 supports advanced drills in high-rise evacuation, self-defense team coordination, horizontal and vertical search and rescue, often in complete darkness or smoke. It's the perfect stress test for today's firefighting teams. T3, simulated terraced housing. From high-rises, we now move to close quarters. T3, a 3-story terraced housing block, representing the dense urban neighborhoods found in many cities. Scenarios here include a bedroom fire, a kitchen gas tank explosion, a living room sofa fire, generating rapid flame spread. T3 also features specialized entry and breaching elements, steel shutters, barred windows, reinforced doors, requiring real forceful access using tools and tactics. On the rooftop, trainees practice rescue from unauthorized rooftop structures, a very common and dangerous real-world scenario. T6, simulated factory. Finally, we arrive at T6, a 2-story industrial training building replicating a typical mid-sized manufacturing plant. Inside, you'll find simulations of a warehouse fire, a high-pressure cylinder explosion, a container fire in an outdoor area, a computer room fire in the administrative wing. T6 emphasizes hazmat response, explosion containment, and fire behavior in industrial environments. One key feature is its rooftop breaching zone, where teams practice vertical entry, ventilation, and hose line deployment, skills that are critical when ground access is compromised. Target trainees. These simulation buildings serve national and municipal firefighters, volunteer fire teams, fire science students, and even international rescue teams, NGOs, and private sector responders. Training programs offered. Trainees here engage in shopping mall fire rescue, high-rise and apartment evacuations, terraced housing rescue and breaching drills, industrial fire response and explosion prevention, self-defense team coordination, multi-building technical drills, full-scale fire rescue missions. This entire zone, T1 through T6, serves as a real-world testing ground. It's where theory becomes action and strategy becomes instinct, preparing responders to make life-saving decisions when every second counts. T14 Outdoor Basic Fire Extinguishing Techniques Training Ground. Now we arrive at T14, the Outdoor Basic Fire Extinguishing Techniques Training Ground. Think of this as the first battlefield for any aspiring firefighter, where they learn the essential techniques that form the core of emergency response. Here, under the open sky, trainees face 6 real-life fire scenarios, from flaming timber piles and overturned trucks to oil pans and gas cylinders flaring up. It's not just about putting out flames. It's about understanding how different fuels behave, how extinguishers respond, and how to stay calm under pressure. Trainees work with a wide range of tools, especially water-type fire extinguishers, under the careful guidance of instructors. And this site isn't just for career firefighters. It's open to volunteer brigades, police cadets, and disaster prevention units, reinforcing community-wide readiness. This is where confidence begins, where ordinary people learn to fight extraordinary threats. T24 Combustion Laboratory. Now let's take a moment to admire this beast, the T24 Combustion Laboratory. One of these high-performance containers costs nearly TWD 4 million. That's right. For the price of a cozy apartment or a 4-year Ivy League education, you get this fire-breathing simulator. And what does it do? Everything you want fire to do, in a controlled way. It burns, grows, flashes over, and rages, all within a confined container, reaching temperatures of up to 700 degrees Celsius. This is a full sensory classroom where firefighters learn to recognize smoke behavior, identify deadly phenomena like flashover, backdraft, and fire gas ignition, practice safe escape, ventilation, and cooling techniques. It's an intense experience, one that transforms theoretical knowledge into life-saving reflexes. If there's one place that will make your palms sweat, this is it. T25 Petrochemical Accident Rescue Training Ground. Finally, we come to T25, the Petrochemical Accident Rescue Training Ground, a facility built to simulate some of the most dangerous and complex rescue scenarios in the fire service. You are looking at a full-scale model of a petrochemical industrial zone, massive oil tanks, distribution pipelines, gas station mock-ups, petroleum tankers, even refinery units, and yes, it all burns. 6 distinct fire points simulate everything from vehicle explosions, boilovers from overheated tanks, leaky pipelines going up in flames. This site serves not only firefighters, but also petrochemical plant safety teams, science park personnel, international responders. Trainees here practice safe approach, hazard recognition, tactical suppression, environmental containment. This is high-stakes, high-pressure training where readiness meets reality.